Good morning. It is today Wednesday the 10th of July 2024 and I'm just checking the weather. She says it isn't raining, so I better get some watering done as my first job. Well, it's not raining, so we better get some stuff done. One of the gentle reminders I had was from someone I rather like, who very quietly said to me that they might like it if I tidied up. Oh, there we go. Around a bit of the ground that they have the right to put ladders on so they can get up and do some work on their house, and I'm rather pleased to do that for them. It's a civic responsibility. I'm supposed to do it. I've neglected it, so we'll put right some of that neglect this morning. And a little bit of garden that doesn't want any watering is the onion patch, because the onions are starting to do what they're supposed to do, folding themselves over. They need to be allowed to dry out and then lifted once they're reasonably dry. Some of these are very, very pleasing. Now, if we look at the size of that one, I'm very happy with that. Some of them aren't so big, but can't have everything, can you? Yeah, well, that's a bit better. This is the space between my neighbour's house and my barn, and there's some laws in France that are very much the same as laws in England, and my neighbour has the right at reasonable times to be able to put up ladders or scaffolding or whatever on my ground to maintain their property. And I'm afraid this had got to a point where it was solid, shoulder high, with stinging nettles and other things. So I'm quite pleased with myself that I've got it back to this state. Yeah, the challenge is to keep it like that, but one of the other challenges is to fish this rather heavy gate out and that other rather heavy gate out, get them all tarted up and pretty, because I do have a job for them. We'll just check the long range weather forecast. Oh, come on Grandma, what's the weather forecast? Okay, little bit undecided at the moment. Well, we'll carry on working.